Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick tutorial on how I achieve my lock braids. I love this style. I can do so much with it and I love the crinkly effect it gives when I take it out. So if you want to learn how, stay tuned. So I always start on freshly washed hair, and I'm fast forwarding this video showing you most of my hair done, and I just have this front section remaining. I always start my hair going back to front. I always start in the back because it's easier that way, and I only do the front of my hair first if I have somewhere to be and I don't have enough time to do the whole head. I just took 2 lock braids just to pull my hair out of my way, and I'm working with this front section. I'm going to section out 3 locks. You can have a choice of using more locks or fewer. Just know that the fewer locks that you use, the tighter that crinkle and that wave that you'll get when you take it out. And the more locks you use, the bigger the crinkle or the bigger the wave that your locks will have when you take these braids out. And make sure you spray your roots with water. I did that off camera, and I'm actually now retwisting the roots on each of the locks, and I have a video on how I retwist, which I'll link to this video. But for this one, I'm actually retwisting and I'm kind of creating this like cinnamon roll effect just to keep the lock in place and not unravel. And after I retwisted all 3, I'm going to slowly start braiding at the roots using those 3 locks. And once I feel that the root is secure, then I speed up that braid. Once I get to the end, I notice that my locks are uneven, so I'm taking one of my locks to kind of wrap it around the smaller lock and loop the bottom ends upwards, create that little loop, and then use a rubber band to secure it. I just don't want my ends to be straight. And voila, there you have the braid. So I'm repeating all these steps over again. This is my last section of 3 locks. I spritzed my hair with some Rosewater at the roots, added some gel, and you can use whatever product you like. And then I retwisted, creating this like little cinnamon bun effect. And then I slowly braid at the root, securing my retwist and then speeding it up once I feel it's secure. Of course, once I get to the end, make sure that I loop the ends of my hair upwards and secure it with a rubber band. And we are done! Y'all, I love this hairstyle. This is literally my go-to hairstyle because it allows me to maintain my roots. I live in a warm weather state, so sometimes a girl sweats. If you're very active and you have locks and you want to be able to maintain your roots for a long period of time, I would highly suggest this style. And you can style this up so many ways. So the possibilities with this style, they're really endless. One of the last things I like to do is use an oil. Today I'm using Shea Moisture's Monoi oil. You can use any oil of your choosing, but I like to get my scalp and the body of my locks and complete this look. And that's a wrap. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you get to try it out. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on IG at Create and Pray, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye!